The first thing you notice is the polish. The Senslyt website looks like it belongs to a major tech giant. It has that sleek aesthetic we have all been trained to trust. But looks can be incredibly deceiving in the digital age. You are looking for a simple answer to a simple question. Is this site legit? The truth is messy. It lives in a gray area that should make any cautious shopper pause. If you run a basic security check, you might see green lights. It has a valid security certificate. It uses standard payment gateways that protect your transaction details. To a basic algorithm, those are green lights. But those tools only look at the plumbing. They do not look at the people running the pipes. When you look at more advanced trust systems, the picture gets dark very quickly. One major analysis gives it a trust score of only 14 out of 100. That is a massive red flag. It is a score that essentially screams for you to walk away. This huge gap between looking safe and being safe is where most people lose their money. The site is a digital infant. It has been online for less than a year. That means there is no history to lean on. There is no long-term reputation to check. When a business is this new, every single purchase is a test run. You are essentially acting as a volunteer for their experiment. Then there are the claims. The site boasts about having over 10,000 customers. It claims its products are backed by science. But where is the evidence? There are no links to real clinical studies. There are no independent reviews from verified buyers. There is a total lack of third-party validation. It feels like a ghost town with a very expensive coat of paint. You want to believe the marketing. The promises are tempting, but a brand that claims 10,000 users should have at least a few hundred people talking about it online. Instead, there is silence. This silence is a warning. It is not necessarily a scam in the traditional sense. There are no reports of malware or active phishing yet. But not being a scam is not the same thing as being safe. It just means they have not been caught doing anything wrong yet. Or perhaps they are just a very small team with a very big marketing budget and no actual infrastructure. Either way, the risk is sitting right there on the table. You have to ask yourself if you want to be the one to find out the hard way. When a trust score hits 14%, the conversation should probably be over. Reliable companies do not hide in the shadows. They show their faces. They provide proof for their claims. They have a trail of happy customers that you can actually verify. Senslyt offers none of that. It offers a shiny interface and a lot of empty space where the facts should be. You are essentially handing your credit card to a stranger who is hiding behind a very nice screen. The encryption might protect your data from hackers, but it does not protect your bank account from the merchant itself. This is the new frontier of online shopping risks. It is not about viruses anymore. It is about the total lack of accountability. If your order never shows up, who do you call? If the science turns out to be fake, how do you get your money back? These are questions with no answers right now. That is why the middle ground is the most dangerous place to be. It gives you just enough confidence to click buy, but not enough security to sleep at night. Your money deserves a much higher level of certainty.